All right, welcome to chapter 4, consciousness. When you hear that title, you may wonder, how is this chapter relevant to my life? But then when you see what topics are going to be covered in this chapter, it becomes pretty clear that this is very relevant to all of our lives. I mean, one of the main topics is sleep. So we get into a lot of questions about sleep that you may have wondered yourself. Why do we need sleep? What function does it serve? What happens to me when I don't get enough sleep? What about sleep problems that you may have had, like insomnia or sleepwalking or sleep apnea? What are they and what's the best way to avoid them? Why am I so tired at certain times during the day, but so wide awake at other times during the day? That's all about circadian rhythms. So we'll learn about circadian rhythms and what can influence those circadian rhythms. Like, for example, bright lights. You looking at bright lights shortly before bedtime can affect your circadian rhythms. Regarding circadian rhythms, we even get into a lot of practical questions. For example, should high school start later in the day? That's a very relevant question, especially if you went to a high school that required you to get up really early to get there on time. The chapter also covers dreams. It also covers hypnosis, meditation and mindfulness, how to achieve them and how they can influence consciousness. And the chapter finishes up with a section on substances, drugs that affect consciousness. Things like depressants, including alcohol, stimulants, including caffeine, opioids, including heroin and oxycodone, hallucinogens, including LSD, ecstasy. So good luck with the chapter, and I hope you enjoy it.